You likely know the importance of a healthy breakfast. Did you know that 1 in every 10 Americans suffers from diabetes? A balanced, diabetic-friendly breakfast consists of lean protein, fiber, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables. This also means replacing regular, everyday breakfast foods with low-sugar alternatives. Wondering which foods to choose? In today's video, we will talk about the best breakfast foods for diabetics. Number 1. Oatmeal with nut butter. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option that's both healthy and delicious. Diabetic or not, it's a great breakfast option. A wholesome bowl of oatmeal topped with organic nut butter will keep you active throughout the day. The soluble fiber in the oats doesn't just lower cholesterol levels and protects heart health, but also reduces glucose absorption. This means that the fasting blood sugar tends to remain stabilized. The combination of oatmeal and nut butter improves digestion and delivers many antioxidants, which will improve your skin and hair. Sticking with nut butter, let's continue with Number 2. Toasted peanut butter and strawberry jelly sandwich. Eating sweets is not an option for people with diabetes unless you decide to try sugar-free nut butter. Organic, sugar-free peanut butter on whole wheat bread topped with a small amount of strawberry jam is the perfect recipe for your breakfast. The base, being made of whole grains, contains a good amount of fiber that slows the breakdown of food. The peanut butter gives you lots of nutrients, including vitamins, calcium, manganese, and much more. The jelly adds a sweet taste while keeping the blood sugar levels stable. This combination creates a healthy, diabetic-friendly meal. Let's move on to another popular breakfast option. Number 3. Avocado with fried eggs. Avocado paired with fried eggs in a salad or on top of a sandwich is not only filling, it's packed with nutrients that will help stabilize blood sugar levels. The good fats and omega-3 fatty acids of avocado combine with the lean protein of fried eggs to create a power-packed breakfast. They also help reduce inflammation, adding fiber and heart-healthy minerals. You can get creative with the seasoning and add the herbs of your choice. Here is another egg option. Number 4. Roasted vegetable egg omelet. Vegetable egg omelets are really filling. Mixing veggies adds nutrients to the otherwise traditional egg. But how does it help in maintaining glucose levels? The roasted vegetables contain fiber that contributes to the slowed digestion of food, resulting in much more stable blood sugar levels. Eggs also constitute healthy protein, while the veggies are a source of various vitamins like K and C. Omelets are already healthy. Adding roasted vegetables like tomatoes, broccoli, carrot, and spinach will add more nutritional value and make it a more balanced meal. Delicious in taste, packed with nutrients, and wholesome, this omelet is easy to make. Let's look at one more egg dish. Number 5. Eggs and lentils on toast. Eggs have always been regarded as a wonderful breakfast food. Diabetic or not, they're the go-to choice for an easy, healthy breakfast. However, just eggs are not enough. You need something else to balance out the nutritional value. Lentils are an immediate source of fiber and protein, 2 ingredients needed to build muscles and stay lean. Inexpensive and prepared quickly, eggs, lentils, and toast are a great choice for breakfast. Here's another idea for toast. Number 6. Hummus with whole grain toast. When it comes to breakfast for diabetics, hummus, which ranks extremely low on the glycemic index, is often overlooked. However, it can be a saving grace, as it's a healthier alternative for many spreads. Hummus is made by mashing chickpeas into a smooth, butter-like consistency, while mixing it with some garlic and salt. Consisting of minimal ingredients, it's light but still holds lots of healthy benefits. Spread some hummus on top of whole grain toast and sprinkle some chia seeds on top for extra nutrition. Number 7. Sweet potato hash. Sweet potato hash is a healthy alternative to regular potato hash. Being low on the glycemic index, eating it guarantees no rise in your blood sugar level. The orange color is caused by the presence of carotenoids, known for lowering the risk of developing cancer. You can eat it as a breakfast side dish or substitute your favorite potato dish for this healthier version. You can prepare it easily by combining grated sweet potato with delicious herbs and spices and baking in the oven. Moving along to a very popular breakfast choice. Number 8. Whole grain cereal. Eating cereal while living with diabetes is not a good idea. Regular cereal contains large amounts of sugar, which will raise blood sugar levels. Whole grain cereals contain rich amounts of fiber and protein without unhealthy artificial sweeteners. Replacing regular flour with whole grain will lower the risk of stroke and other heart-related problems. If losing weight is your goal, regular workouts paired with switching to whole grains will help you reach it. To add texture to whole grain cereal, you can add pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, or coconut shavings. Let's look at some sweeter options. Number 9. Chia seed pudding. These gluten-free, vegan-friendly seeds are a perfect addition to breakfast. Not only do they add an earthy, nutty flavor to water, puddings, and salads, they also keep the stomach full until it's time to eat again. Chia seed pudding is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and is a favorite among vegans. These nutritionally dense seeds have a positive effect on glucose levels, since it promotes a slow release of carbohydrates. This means that the fasting blood sugar remains stable while filling the body with nutrients you need to stay active throughout the day. Number 10. Pumpkin Quinoa Berry Bowl. Quinoa is a wonderful breakfast food for diabetics. The complex carbs with fiber and protein are slowly digested, which doesn't cause abrupt changes in blood glucose. Eating this meal for breakfast will keep you full well into the day. Pair it with mashed pumpkin and berries of your choice. Pumpkin also provides essential nutrients like carotenoids, vitamins C and E, and folate, all of which help strengthen the immune system. Adding berries, nuts, and seeds will elevate the nutritional value of your breakfast and make it even more filling. Let's look at one more berry dish. Number 11. Berry smoothie. Mixing up a berry smoothie is a nutritious way to start the day. Blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are known for their health benefits. They keep you mentally sharp with nutrients called anthocyanins. A glass full of berries is loaded with antioxidants that increases immunity and gets rid of toxins in the body. When it comes to diabetes, this smoothie also fights off inflammation, a major contributor. To add some nutritional value and make it extra filling, add some unsweetened Greek yogurt, banana, and a little spinach. Skipping breakfast is not an option for diabetes patients. To make the most of your eating habits, a diabetic also needs to adopt a healthy and active lifestyle. Are you or anyone you know diabetic? Let us know in the comments below.